I Survived 50 Hours in Darkness von Ryan Trahan. Wir werden uns das Video begutachten.
Are you scared of the dark, you little weenie baby? Are you watching this video from Weenie Hut Jr.? I heard they got good Wi-Fi. If you are afraid of the dark... My wife Haley is as well. It's totally normal. She even makes us sleep with the light on sometimes, okay? Whereas I...
Okay, nee. Mit dem Licht schlafen, so bis man 8 Jahre alt ist, ist okay. Nachher ist ein bisschen sass.
Ryan am not scared of the dark.
Wife, stimmt. Das ist das Krasse. Der ist verheiratet, ne? Wie alt ist der? Ich würde sagen 22 vielleicht?
Handsome, 6'7", honest, good looking, humble. It's just, I told Haley I would check out the dark to prove there's nothing to be afraid of. So I asked someone on Airbnb to help me just make their place completely dark.
Can I stay at y'all's house and just make it 100% dark in there?
Colleen here seemed pretty confused, and it didn't help that I said, you merely adopted the dark. I was born in it, muahahaha. She didn't respond for a while, so I said, haha, JK, and then it was like another hour, and I just said LOL because I panicked. I told her I'd pay her extra and paint her something. And she said, okay, and here we are. We can turn off all the lights now. I'm scared.
Alexa, turn the downstairs lights off.
Oh my gosh, you left. Well, that was strange. 50 hours starts now. It is completely dark in this.
Ach so, okay, jetzt muss er 50 Stunden in einem dunklen Haus verbringen. Okay, ist noch eine geile Idee eigentlich. Lights out and sex. Do the sex thing. If the lights is out, you can do the sex thing.
Blackout curtains, all of the lights.
Ey, ich hab keinen Bock auf Englischunterricht. Digga, ich sag ganz ehrlich, wenn ihr Englisch nicht versteht, dann seid ihr einfach lost im Leben. Because you know, je sais parler anglais très très bien.
Have been covered up. I know our budget is crazy. Watch out, Mr. Beast. Colleen also set up infrared security cameras that will allow you to watch everything I do. Time to explore. That's a mat right there. Take my shoes off, actually. Get cozy. There's a bench. This is a gym. Turns out this house is insane. There's a gym, there's a kitchen, there's a couch. It's a nice couch, it's a huge couch. There's a bedroom that you can watch me sleep in. The stairs lead to this game room with a guitar in it. That's really...
Bro, 50 Stunden am Stück in einem dunklen Haus? Würde ich schon mal gerne machen, Digga. Es könnte spannend sein.
exciting.
Da wird einem doch schlecht. Wieso wird es einem schlecht, wenn es dunkel ist? Wieso soll es einem dann schlecht werden? Das einzige Mal, wo es mir schlecht wird, ist, wenn ich Mairo ins Gesicht schaue. Dann wird es mir richtig übel.
Body once told me the world was gonna... But unlike me, you're gonna be able to see everything. Hour 1, it's 10 a.m. outside. I gotta get my day started. So I explored the kitchen, and that's exciting because that's where the coffee is. Found some bread, tickled it a little bit in case it was a baby. It wasn't a baby, it was just a loaf of bread, but eventually located the fridge. Seems like there's some good snacks in there.
Du musst ja gut, eigentlich fühlt man sich wie ein Blinder. Einfach, dass man eigentlich nicht blind ist, aber eigentlich blind ist, ne? Macht das Sinn? Ich weiß es nicht.
Lunchables, beer, and found the coffee machine. Poured some water in that bad boy. Figured out a way to cook beans. Yup. What is this? I found a spoon. It seems to be sharp and misshapen.
Bro, duschen, wenn es dunkel ist. Habt ihr schon mal geduscht in einem dunklen Raum, der komplett dunkel ist? Ich glaube, das fühlt sich noch geil an, weil das ist dann so ein bisschen Spa-Type-Beat. Dann kannst du so richtig heiß machen und es ist einfach so dunkel und einfach so duschen, Digga. Ist ja geil.
Ah, that's hot. Oh, that's hot.
In Zürich gibt es das Restaurant Blinde Kuh, wo man einfach nichts sieht. Das gibt's in Basel auch, ja. Und da arbeiten, glaube ich, so Leute, die actually blind sind, oder?
My day is just getting started, okay? It's gonna be a productive day. It's gonna be a productive day, that's for sure. I'm not gonna do anything differently. You know, I'm not afraid of the dark.
Okay, Chat, was sind massive Probleme, wenn es dunkel ist? Man sieht nichts. Ah ja, stimmt. Man hat keinen Anhaltspunkt zum Fixieren. Es ist dunkel. Sachen, die auf dem Boden liegen. Nicht mal mehr so vielleicht so kochen oder so. Gibt es so irgendetwas, das man beim Kochen so sehen muss? Weißt du, so, zum Beispiel, wann das Fleisch durch ist? Ja, ich glaube, allgemein kochen ist schwierig, ne? Wenn du eine Pfanne hast und du machst die Pfanne warm, dann musst du irgendwie die Pfanne treffen, weil ich meine, du kannst die Pfanne schon abtasten, aber du kannst jetzt auch nicht die Pfanne abtasten, da wo es heiß ist. Wisst ihr, was ich meine? Wo die Herdplatte ist, ja. True. Ihr macht einfach die Herdplatte an und dann macht ihr mit den Händen so, bis ihr euch irgendwo verbrennt und dann wisst ihr, ah ja, da ist die Herdplatte.
I'm not afraid of the dark. Hey! Not gonna lie, started freaking out like a small child, investigated a bit, and the only monster to be found was yours truly. we can move on. If I'm being honest, I wanted to film this video because I got a bunch of acne this week. And I didn't want you to see it. But being in the dark, this is a unique experience that I feel like I wouldn't...
Wenn man krank wird, dann kann man seine eigene Scheiße nicht mehr anschauen. Man muss sich seine eigene Scheiße anschauen, um zu sehen, wie krank man ist. Das ist sehr, sehr wichtig, Chat. Unterschätzt das bitte nicht.
Oh my gosh. The lifestyle of living in darkness, you know, it's...
Du kannst nicht mehr sehen, wo du hingeschissen hast. Bro, du musst so das Klo suchen, so.
Fun, it's interesting, and Colleen left me art supplies. Apparently it's glow-in-the-dark paint, but it's not glowing. Regardless, I asked you guys what
Good one.
I should paint. A skeleton wearing a cowboy hat and he's barbecuing and the smoke says yeehaw, or a carrot. And you guys voted for a carrot. So I'm gonna paint that over the course of this video, which is really exciting for me. I started painting this carrot with my eyes closed because I could somehow see better with my eyes closed. I got my carrot started. I'm gonna see if it starts glowing anytime soon. Here's what we got so far. What do you think? How's my carrot looking? Pause. I'm not even sure what color I used, to be frank. Who's Frank? I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you. Oh, that's nice. Oh, man. I can fall asleep here. I fell asleep there for like an hour. I'm really trying to like take control of my day today.
Aber hier hinten, guck mal hier hinten hat es schon ein bisschen Licht. Denken Sie, diese Geschichte ist wahr oder ist sie einfach nur frei erfunden, Chat?
And like not let the, you know.
Oh, true. Das ist wirklich ein Problem. Man sieht dann einfach nicht nach dem Toilettengang, wann das Toilettenpapier weiß bleibt. Stimmt. Und dann muss man natürlich zu Alternativen greifen und einfach schmecken. Da musst du dein Ohrschloch abputzen und dann musst du dran riechen, Digga. Du musst dran riechen, aber kurz Sniff nehmen und wenn es nicht mehr stinkt, dann weißt du, jetzt kann ich wieder frei sein. Ja, oder lecken, ja. Oder fühlen.
I'm gonna get a workout in. There's a gym here for a reason. Let's get it going. Is that good? Gosh, holy smokes. As you guys know, it's take no days off around here. I haven't worked out in 4 days, so I'm not sure why I'm even... As I was doing this, I couldn't help but think about how funny this probably looks. I just imagine someone checking their security cameras and like someone broke into their house and they're just lifting their weights. He's not even doing a lot of weight. That's the worst part. He doesn't even want to take anything. He just wants to get...
Boah, Digga, eine Sauna. Eine Sauna in der Dunkelheit? Könnte wild kommen, könnte wild kommen. Aber auch sehr, sehr böse.
Some men that work. I'm sorry, everyone. Okay, well, I'm not sweating, but that's not because I didn't work hard, okay? What? I'm gonna go make a sandwich. Welcome to Gordon Ramsay After Dark. We're gonna be making a fine dish in complete darkness once again. Alright guys, so first off we got...
Stimmt, Kochen an sich ist ja schwierig, so das Zubereiten. Also es wird einfach nicht schön. Aber funktionieren könnte es.
Here, I think. Make sure to tickle it. That's how you know it's not a baby. This is a Lunchable. We're not gonna be using it. Next up, guys, we got cheese and turkey. I'm only assuming this is turkey, by the way. It could be any kind of meat. But that's why our ratings are so low on this show, okay? Because I don't know what I'm cooking. One last tickle.
True, aber hier hat es einen Schatten. Guck mal, hier ist ein Schatten, hier. Das ist natürlich keine Sassy in diesem Moment. Aber es könnte auch sein, dass vielleicht so ein ganz kleines Licht, dass man dann den Schatten schon sieht von diesem kleinen Licht, wenn irgendwo an der Kamera was leuchtet.
Hit him with the 1-2 pieces of bread. Boom, boom. Take the plastic wrapper off. I learned that lesson the hard way. As I was unwrapping my cheese, I realized, of course, this house is gonna have a scary clock. Oh my gosh. It's nice knowing you guys. It was. I don't know why I just heard that for the first time. I've been in here for hours. I know that for a fact. Gordon Ramsay After Dark. This dish is it's my specialty. It's essentially it's a sandwich. That's really good. No, it is really good. So, I look like $1 million. This isn't a mirror, is it? Oh. Hour 8, I practiced going up and down the stairs, and then I picked up the guitar, tried matching notes with my voice. Then I fell asleep for a bit, but keep in mind, I have no idea what time it is outside, which makes it worse that I was...
Das ist Infrarot, bra. Ach so, man kann von Infrarot auch Schatten haben. Ja, das wusste ich natürlich nicht. Es tut mir leid, Chat. Ich muss mich an dieser Stelle entschuldigen.
Hey, the front door.
I swear someone just opened the front door. Is that an Amazon delivery driver? Do they do that now?
Haley? Hey!
I don't like it. Ah! I would fail this challenge so hard. I still want to look cute in the dark.
Haley brought us poke bowls, which are... They're up there with my special sandwich, let's put it that way. But after a few bites, I wanted to see how much my eyes had adjusted, so I gave Haley a challenge. Can you see the plant over there?
No, oh my gosh, I don't really like looking into the dark.
Okay.
Oh, einfach Nachtsichtkamera eingebaut bekommen.
Starts making up stuff. I don't like this challenge.
Haley went home. Nighttime routine. Haley actually got me a bunch of new skincare, so I look forward to my nighttime routines now. That's facial cleanser. You know, the reason I actually got a bunch of acne on the right side of my face is because I put toothpaste on it on accident. It's moist.
Ja gut, aber er hätte auch an der Taube riechen können.
We're done. I'm gonna go to bed now.
Aber das Geile ist, du kannst mit einer offenen Türe schlafen. Weil es ist ja eh überall dunkel. Das ist geil, du kannst die Türen immer offen lassen. Weil man schließt die Türen ja nur wegen dem Licht. An der Taube riechen. Ja, an der Öffnung riechen der Taube, Digga.
Alright, what time is it? Definitely can see more than I did yesterday morning. Last morning, if that's how you say that. If you think about it, even night has a little bit of light to shine. That's a screensaver right there. That's a beautiful quote. It's gonna be a good morning. Little did I know the morning was almost over. It's practically midday. Yes. In this moment, I'm definitely thinking it's maybe 6, 7 a.m. I slept 13 hours, somehow. I don't know what that says about me. Ah! Holy smokes. That Keurig gets hot. And then I did my morning dance like a freak. I look stupid now. I thought it was morning. And then I fake went downstairs. I guess I'm just a performer now. What's better than this? I don't even know if there's any paint on my paintbrush right now, but here we are. Painting is one of those things, or just art in general, it's one of those things that I can do and time just flies by. I'm talking, you get done painting a carrot and next thing you know it's...
Hello, my name is Bob Ross. Take a little bit of the sky blue and paint it on the puffy white background. Make a little cute tree and a lake. Vielen Dank fürs Zuhören, das war's von mir.
Tuesday.
Cool story, Bob.
I'm gonna let that dry. How is this clock not gone off? You know what time it is. That sounds like I was about to do something exciting, but I'm just saying you actually know what time it is. I imagine I'm gonna edit it in a way that you know the time. You know, voice over me and you just have a great connection. We're just so transparent. But this guy sitting on the staircase right now could not be more unaware. 9, 10. I don't know what that means.
Ich habe bis heute auch noch keinen Plan, wie lange eine Kirche läutet, um zu sagen, was für Zeit es ist. 10 Uhr morgens 10 Mal? Oder gibt es da irgendwie so andere Codes?
Right about now is when time just completely stopped being a thing for me. And so instead of traditional time, I just said it was workout time. I am not stubbing my toe today. That's just facts. Holy smokes. Ich
stelle mir das schon funny vor, das mal zu machen, so einen Tag lang oder 2 Tage lang nur in Dunkelheit zu leben, aber dann komplett. Ich stelle mir das schon funny vor, aber irgendwie auch weird, weil du darfst ja dann auch dein Handy nicht benutzen für 2 Tage, I guess.
Oh. Welcome back to Gordon Ramsay After Dark. Don't worry, I already tickled the bread. We're good. I've been in here for a while now, and by the way, here's a quick reminder of my POV. Yeah, that's pretty much it. As I was about to slap together another sandwich, something hit me. Get ready for another screensaver. I feel like I've had the realization not everything in the universe is functional. Like a lot of things in the universe are beautiful and they don't have to be. It just feels like beauty is such a gift. And so is this sandwich. You've done it again, Gordon.
Jeder Stoner immer.
Look, our budget got cut, okay? This cooking show is going downhill rapidly. Have I had moments of paranoia in here? Yes. Do I at times wonder if an Amazon delivery driver is in the house? Yes. Do I regret doing this? Yes. But I do feel like I'm learning something. And it's that I left the plastic on the cheese again. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. I sat in the sauna to pass the time a little bit. Now that's what I call circadian.
Das ist wirklich die Glocke.
Rhythm. Swag. I don't know. Goodness.
Goodness gracious. Denkt ihr, Chat, das Ganze ist real oder denkt ihr, das ist ein bisschen fake? So ein bisschen Fake-Type-Beat. Ich glaube, dass er vielleicht so einen Tag gemacht hat oder so. Aber ich glaube nicht, dass er wirklich 50 Stunden da drin war. Denkst du real?
Feels appropriate to go to bed.
Bisschen real, aber auch ein bisschen fake.
6 p.m., which is crazy. I
Real,
brush
I
my
guess.
teeth with toothpaste and put on some skincare.
Good night, sweet dreams.
Are made of these. Gunnar.
I actually fell asleep rapidly at like 6 p.m.
Imagine schlafen gehen ohne Gunnar-Snap. Das ist ja ohne Snap. Imagine schlafen gehen ohne Gunnar-Snap. Das ist ja cringe, Digga. Wo gehen die Flammen hin?
I woke up a few times and chugged water, which I don't fully remember at all. And I fully awoke at 3:30 in the morning. So naturally, I made my coffee. I put creamer in, but I couldn't find my spoon anywhere. I found another one in the drawer. It wasn't a big deal. But I stirred it, and then I just sat on the couch and drank my coffee at like 3:40 in the morning. Top of the morning. I spent the last several hours of this challenge doing a myriad of things. I just learned that word, myriad. Makes me sound smart. But eventually I was just taking a nap on the couch again. And that's when I woke up to knocking on the front door.
Yo. Okay, das muss crazy sein. Das muss crazy sein, wenn du 50 Stunden nur dunkel siehst und dann wieder Licht. Das ist safe geil.
Colleen?
Ich würde es nur machen wollen, für diesen einen Moment nach 50 Stunden wieder Licht zu sehen. Weil dann appreciated man das Licht wieder viel mehr als vorher.
Hello! Opening that door was crazy. I made that. Yep. It's a carrot.
What was it? Oh, it was a carrot?
Colleen absolutely loved my painting of this carrot. And on top of all of that, Haley said she's gonna try to sleep without the light on.
Gutes Video, funny Video, allgemein Ryan Trahan, sehr, sehr nicer YouTuber, fühle ich.
My heart just got stuck